With this exercise, if your gym is fairly empty, nobody in the weight room, feel free to take up 2 benches. But if the gym is full, then this is kind of rude to take up 2 benches. So maybe grab a bench and then a box. But you do need two surfaces so that your hips can go lower than the bench. If you are feeling it in your hamstrings, then maybe your bench is too far apart. So you want to bring it a little bit closer and feel it all in the glutes. If you feel like your bench is constantly sliding away from you, that might be that you're using more of your quad, and instead of moving your hips straight up, you're kind of pushing against the box. If you don't have strong enough glutes to do that and the box keeps moving, then perhaps put it against a wall or maybe put a plate behind it so that it doesn't move until you do get the strength, or just do this on the floor as well. Okay. Now, if you need to add any weight, then feel free to grab a dumbbell and place it across your hips. The goal here is that you want to keep your hips level and don't let the free leg fall. So you don't want your, like in this instance, my right leg to fall down. I want it to be level. You could also use a kettlebell. I noticed that a kettlebell was nice because it just placed right in the middle of my pelvis and it was more comfortable. But the dumbbell was nice because it helped me remember to keep my hips level, and it also brought more attention to that. So I could really focus on keeping my hips level and putting all of the weight into that one working leg. And one last thing is just make sure you're pivoting off your back. You can use your elbows to help support you, but don't hold yourself up with your elbows on the bench. You want to completely just pivot off of your back.